Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you the best deals for next week, the 16th through the 22nd of January for Walgreens. And I think we got some pretty good deals. We got a really good diaper deal and a really good deal on No.7 skincare, some Persil, and a ton of hair care. So first, let's talk about the coupons that will be coming out on Sunday. So the coupon's coming out on the 23rd. We are getting 2 inserts. We will be getting a Smart Source, which really doesn't have much in it, but we are getting a Unilever insert, which has the Dove. It has a very high value Shea Moisture coupon in there, some Suave, and other things like that. So that's a really good insert. But then the following week, we will be getting our P&G insert for February. I already have some in my hands. I am doing a giveaway for the February P&G inserts over on my Instagram if you would like to go check that out and enter into that. But let's talk about the deals, and I have a couple of scenarios for you too. So the No.7 has been on a promotion where it is buy one, get one 40% off. And when you buy 2, you will get back $5 in Walgreens cash. I did this week as a pickup order, but you can definitely do it next week as well and combine it with your spend boosters. So these are the products that you would pick up. These are the 2 that I picked up in my pickup order. I haven't gone and picked it up yet, but it is the Protect and Perfect Advanced Night Cream or the Day Cream, whichever you prefer. And one of these advanced ingredients, I picked the Ceramide and the Peptides Facial Capsules. That will be 40% off, so that one would be $11.99. Then these are the 2 coupons that you would be using, and then here is just the additional things that you can do, which we know about the first 2, but then if you do it online, you can use a 10% discount code. So this is what your scenario would look like. So these are buy 2, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. They're buy one, get one 40% off, and then if you're doing it as an in-store pickup, or ordering it online to ship to store, then you can use the new you 10% off discount code. So we're picking up the Triple Action Night Cream, which is the one I showed you earlier, for $24.99, and the Advanced Ingredients Capsules for $11.99. Then you're going to use that $12 off of one digital coupon for the night cream and the $10 digital coupon for the capsules. Now there is a different $10 off coupon out there that you could use instead. You'd have to get a different product if your store doesn't have the capsules. Then you're going to use that new you code that will take off $1.50. That will come off after your coupons. Then that will bring your total down to $13.48, and you will get back $5 in Walgreens cash. If you have a spend 20 get back $5 in Walgreens cash, then you would pay $13.48, get back $10 in Walgreens cash, making both of these just $3.48 or $1.74 a piece, which is just amazing, absolutely amazing that we can get those products for that cheap. I tell my mom this because she's an avid No.7 user, and she just can't believe it because she's always thought No.7 was so expensive. So I give her a lot of my No.7 that I buy. So next we have a bunch of hair care deals that we can do. We have the Garnier. The Garnier is not on a promotion, but it is going to be 2 for $7. And we do have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, as well as a $1 off IVC coupon. And that $1 off IVC coupon will apply to each one. So depending on how many you buy, if you pair it in with a spend deal, you need to make sure that you're that many above your spend threshold. Then there is the Dove. I like the Dove a lot, so I like to get this when they have good deals on them. So they're buy 2, get back $2 in Walgreens cash, and they're going to be 2 for $8. So the S and the C means, buy a shampoo and a conditioner, or either, you know what I mean? So anyways, then we're going to use a 3 off 2 digital coupon, and then we'll pay $5, get back $2 in Walgreens cash, making them $3 for both of them, or $1.50 a piece. Now, when you look at the new ad, right above on the little graphic here where it says Shop Products, it will tell you how much you're getting back in a reward. In layman's terms, like it'll tell you getting back Walgreens cash or you're getting a register reward, and any digital coupons that will be coming out with it. So once I figured that part out, it was a lot easy for me to understand what was going on with each promotion in the ad. Then we have the Suave Professionals. It's probably going to include the cheaper Suave as well, but we don't have coupons for that. So the Suave is buy two, get back $2 in Walgreens cash, and you can pay with Walgreens cash if you get this promotion, by itself, and they're buy one, get one 50% off. Now, sometimes this happens with Suave. They'll say they're two for $7, but they're also buy one, get one 50% off. So they technically wouldn't be two for $7. One would be $3.50 and one would be $1.75. Now, I don't have that on here because I think it's a little bit of a glitch that does that. I'm not 100% on that, but I don't think it's supposed to do that. But I am going to put two for $7 just because that's what the ad is telling me. And that's what online is telling me. So I'm just going to go with that. But if that is the case, just be mindful that might happen and you would end up being like $1.75 short. So I will definitely keep you guys posted if that is the case in my community tab. So you're going to pick up two of these. You're going to use the two $1 off coupons from the 123 Unilever insert. You will pay $5. Get back $2 in Walgreens cash, making them both $3 or $1.50 a piece. Now, if they do that thing where one is $3.50 and then the other one is 50% off of that, then you'll end up paying $1.25 for both of them, or about 63 cents a piece. So I'll definitely let you know because one of my scenarios does include this promotion, and I would hate for you to be short on your spend booster or anything like that. So then on the next promotion, we have the Colgate. I do like to include this in the best deals for next week because it always helps you with your spend scenarios. So say you do realize that the Suave is the cheaper price, then you can always throw in the Colgate and then you will get to your thresholds that you need to meet for your spend boosters. So these are buy two, get back $3 in Walgreens cash. You can pay with Walgreens cash if you are new. And then pick up two of the Colgate Max Fresh, and then you're going to use a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will be available, and you would pay the $2.98, get back $3 in Walgreens cash, making these free. So like I said, I like to include this just because sometimes it's really helpful to know that you always have something as a backup to help you out. So next we have the Persil, and I get really excited about Persil. If you watch my videos, you know that. So these are on promotion where you buy two, you get back $2 in Walgreens cash, and they are on sale for $4.99 a piece. That includes the 40-ounce bottles and the 16-pack of the disc. The discs are my favorite. But anyways, and you can pay with Walgreens cash on this promotion. So you're going to buy two of these, and that's going to cost you $9.98. You're going to use two $2 off insert coupons from the 116 Save. Or you can use a $2 paper, and then there might be a $2 digital. The ad doesn't say there's going to be, but a lot of times we get them. So then you would pay $5.98, get back $2 in Walgreens cash, making these $1.99 a piece. And I'll take a $3 savings on something that I like. So there you go. So next I have a Huggies deal to share with you. Now this isn't my deal that I come up with. I saw this on GME Coupons Instagram. She also has a YouTube channel, and she's really good at coming up with all digital scenarios and making them super easy for you. She does really good diaper deals, and I'm not good at coming up with diaper deals. So I have been asked to share them more often if I can. So I will try to get into the swing of things of spotting them on my own, but I definitely wanted to mention this one to you because it's such a good deal, and you can do it all digitally as a pickup order, but I definitely wanted to credit GME Coupons because she is really, really good at what she does. So anyways, the Huggies are 2 for $20, and they are on a promotion where you spend $25, you get back a $5 register reward. Now, since this is a register reward deal, You could use Walgreens cash to pay for this, but if you are pairing it with a spend booster, I would advise not to use any Walgreens cash to pay for this. Now, the ad says they're 2 for $20 or $13.99 a piece. When you add 3 of them to your cart, it makes each one of them $11. So you're going to buy 3 of these and it's going to equal out to $33. Now the promotion and the pricing is the same now as it is next week, so that's how I know that. So you're going to pick up 3 of the special delivery diapers. Now they do have sizes up to size 4, I do believe so. So that's going to cost $33. There is a 6 off 2 digital coupon that you want to clip to your account. It is available right now to clip. So you would pay $27. Then you would submit your receipt to the coupons.com app for another $3 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta and get back $1 on 2 of those diapers because there is a limit of 2. And then submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. There is a 3,000 point offer back on Fetch Rewards for Huggies special delivery diapers, which equals out to $3. So that would make all 3 packages of diapers $9 or $3 a piece. And coming from $11 to $3, I think that's a decent deal. So now I have a couple spend booster scenarios for you, and I'm doing a spend 50, get 10, and a spend 20, get 5. So you would pick up 2 of the Persil at $4.99 a piece, pick up 1 of the No.7 night creams and 1 of the No.7 little capsules for $11.99. Then pick up 2 of the Dove for $4 a piece. You're going to use 2 Persil coupons. You're going to use your oh my goodness, guys, sorry. You're going to use $12 off of 1 No.7 digital and a $10 off 1 No.7 digital. You're going to use a 3 off of 2 Dove digital, and that would bring your total down to $25.96. And you would get back $19 in Walgreens cash. 10 for your booster, 5 for the No.7, 2 for the Persil, and 2 for the Dove. So that would make your total for everything just $6.96 or about $1.16 a piece. If you have a $9 paper booster, and I say that because those are the only paper boosters I've been getting for a while now. If you use that with this scenario, it would make everything free and a $2.31 moneymaker. And I think that's a pretty good deal. So then we're going to do a spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, and we're doing all hair care items because those other items might not interest you, like the Persil and the No.7. So we're going to grab 2 of the Garnier Fructis at $3.50 a piece. We're going to grab 2 of the Suave Professionals at $3.50 a piece. We're going to grab 2 of the Dove at $4 a piece. So that's going to equal out to $22. And since we are getting 2 of the Garnier using $2 off 1 coupons or $2 off IVC coupons, then you're going to want to be at $22, and we're going to actually be at exactly $22. So after that $2 comes off for the IVC coupon, you're going to be at $20, and that's where you need to be after all IVC coupons come off. So then you're going to have that 3 off of 2 digital coupon for the Garnier Fructis, $2 off coupons for the Suave Professionals, and 3 off of 2 Dove digital coupon as well. So that would bring your total down to $12. You'll get back $9 in Walgreens cash, 5 for your paper or 5 for your digital booster, excuse me. Lots of mistakes today, goodness. $2 for the Suave and $2 for the Dove, making your final cost for everything $3 or just 50 cents a piece. Now, like I said, I realized this after I put everything together. If that price is different for the Suave, throw in the Colgate. It will still be a really, really good deal. So anyways, that is everything that I have for you today, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope this video was helpful for you for next week at Walgreens.